There it goes, slow. Oh, yeah. Bingo! Oh, that was perfect. Welcome, everyone. Welcome back to the bucking part of this video. Yep, we got the 500i ported, the Aaron Lynch saw. And if you haven't seen it, if you haven't seen the videos of this 500i, of this ported 500i saw running with the stock Stihl chain, go back and watch them, and then come back and watch this one. Or vice versa, watch this one, then go back and watch those. This is not a stock chain anymore. This is hand filed by me. Took the rakers down to where I believe they need to be, right around 25, maybe 30 thousandths. And we're going to try it. We're going to see if it makes a difference. See if I can still hand file a chain and get it sharper than stock. Okay? So let's do it. Let's run it and see what happens. Get this thing going again. Welcome to all the new subscribers while I get this going. Yeah? Thank you all. I appreciate all your support. Very, very much. And to everybody that has stuck around as long as they have and still enjoy the content, I appreciate that. And I appreciate the feedback in the comment section on people that would like to see something different or have questions or suggestions. I welcome it. Okay? So let's get after it. Let's see what this hand filed chain does. Round. It's round. Full house. Okay? so much faster. So much faster than stock. We are getting great tests. Let me turn this around. That is so much faster. So much faster than stock. We are getting such great tests with this chainsaw. In the last three or four times I've run this saw, unbelievable. It just opens up. We ran it with stock chain, round filed stock, and square ground stock. So I have comparisons. So now when I do a grind on the square jig, we're gonna get to see that difference as well. This is unreal. I love this chainsaw. It's A to Z. If you don't understand that, I mean it's everything. It's from falling to bucking to limbing, anything. Put a short bar on it, go up a tree with it for big chunk outs. You know what I mean? The saw's light, it's fast. Aaron, I can't say it enough. It's unbelievable. That is an unbelievable chainsaw. Back to the cutting. I really don't even know what else to say about that saw. I just don't. I can't believe it. Yeah. You probably get tired of hearing me harp on it, but it's unreal. In every kind of wood, big wood, small wood, lemon, bucking, it just works. Every aspect of it works now. For me, for my style of cutting, for what I do, that saw works amazing. If you want speed on the stump, I'd be looking into one of those ported. No doubt about it. That's awesome. And how you can go from bucking the big end and work your way up here, and then you get to the limmy part, and you can just turn and start limbing, just like it was a carbureted saw that you tuned when you got here, when you got to the woods or wherever you go. It just did it. it just does it, right? This saw does it much better. It picks up much better of a tune than the stock saw. I don't know why. I don't know any of the differences. I don't know the serial numbers, and I don't think I'm going to dig into it that deep. All I know is that this ported chainsaw, this ported 500i works for me. Very, very well. Very well. It's unreal. It'll be hard to leave that one at home. Just like it's hard for me to leave the Taz XP at home. Right? Those two saws, the Taz XP and that 500i ported, are going to be an unstoppable combination. And if it's a giant tree, then I'm going to take the John Bob, the Skunk Works 395 and fall it and buck the big end with the 395, and I'm going to limb it and buck the rest of it with that 500i. It's falling into my firewood cutting style right there. And I don't notice the extra weight of that side cover, of that West Coast saw cover. I don't notice the extra weight. I think maybe because I'm having so much darn fun, cutting with it, that I don't even pay attention to that kind of stuff. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's buck some more. I got to put the brakes on. I got to put the brakes on that section so it don't roll down there and take you out. Makes quick work of a tree, that's for sure. Well, now we'll get it loaded up and get it out of the woods. Thanks, everybody. I sure do appreciate you. Every one of you. Love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned. Oh, something else I wanted to say. I believe I could go probably to 35 thousandths on the rakers. Right? I think so. Because like I said, they're 25, somewhere between 25 and 30 right now. I think I'd go 35. I don't think I'd go 40. But for just for bucking, I think I could probably get away with 40. With that saw, yeah. We'll try 35. Thanks, everybody.